Alright, so this is basically our learning video. You gotta take these things apart once, figure out what's going on. I've done multiple different shocks before, but ELKAs are different. Completely different. Not so much fun. I had to make some custom tools to get these things back together. It was not really that fun, but I do have one more left to redo, so we will do an ELKA how-to rebuild on the final shock that's on my 250R. At this point, it was a learning experience because you've got to take the seal heads apart and physically rebuild the seal heads. That took some special tools that I didn't have that I had to make. Getting the seal heads to go back over to shock, I didn't have the thread bullet, so I had to make one of those, and that was really fun because the seals that are in the seal heads are super, super tight, so they don't want to go over very much. Like I said, these were learning experience. We got them apart, we got them cleaned up, we got them all back together, we repowdered the springs so that everything looked pretty. This LTZ closed up really nicely. We did have a popped radiator, so it did spew the coolant out, and it did warp the head from being overheated. But that's another problem. Right now, we're dealing with ELKA suspension. Yep, not really much for special tools needed on the disassembly. Got an Allen wrench holding the spring adjusters down, a big old crescent wrench will get the bottom seal head off, and a pick will get all of the seals and everything out of the seal head. Then you need a special tool to push the seals back in so that everything fits down tight the way that it's supposed to. You got to fight with the seals. They don't look like they're going to go in, but they actually do go in. The fluid in these was about time to be changed. It was just starting to get dirty. There you can see everything's all going back together nicely. Got the nitrogen canister. Yep, fill these things back up with nitrogen. No loss shock system. Works really well. Motion Pro did a good job on this. And you watch, the canister pops up and then the shock goes up. Kind of a neat little thing. One of those satisfying parts of the video. Turn around, put the spring, reassemble them. Not a big deal. Got him on the quad. Gonna do a little bit of a ride video for him testing out the motor and stuff. This is the ride video where he overheated the motor and pretty much smoked the brand new top end. So we're gonna be pulling the head off of it, machining it all down, pulling the cylinder, making sure everything's all flat, putting it back together so it can run. But here you go, enjoy the riding part. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff that everybody tells you to do. Appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one.